Y'all know what time it is. Boxycharm. Hey, hey. So this month of August, I'm going to show you what I received in my box. Stay tuned. Also, if you're interested in subscribing to Boxycharm, I'm going to leave my link in the description below. Click on that link. And sometimes, you know, when you subscribe, they have free gifts. So if you subscribe, click on my link, you get a free gift. So remember that. I get so excited when I receive my Boxycharm, and you want to know why I get excited when I receive my Boxycharm? Okay, so first of all, this box, you receive like 5 full-size items for only $21 a month. And it's very good brands, like high-end brands or whatever. Like, seriously, y'all. So y'all gonna see when I open this box, and of course y'all see in my other videos too if you already follow me. And if you're not following me, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, y'all. Enjoy the video. Now time to open the box. Okay, so this is the theme. Totally totally Boxycharm. And on the back you have the products and what it retail for, and I'm gonna make sure I mention it and put everything in the description below. So let's see. The first product is the Becca, cool, full-size item, y'all. Becca Hydra-Mist and Refresh Powder. This retails for $39. Oh my gosh, yay! So this is set and refresh powder. Let's open it. I don't know what color it is. It looks like a... Hopefully this is a translucent. Okay, so this is the bottle. It says Becca on the front. I have my little fingerprints on it, sorry. And this is the bag, and you can see the color of the powder. So hopefully this is translucent. Let's open it. Okay, so when you open it, have a little note here. Keep me closed. Okay, and you pull this open. If I can pull it up. So you pull this up, and this is where the powder is. So I'm gonna remove this paper with this little sticker. Woo! Whoa! So this is the powder. Looks like a translucent powder. Let's see. I'm gonna rub it on my wrist. So, oh, this feels so soft and buttery. So once you rub it in, you see that it just like blended in with my skin. So I'm gonna make sure I use it in another video. You know, I gotta always try the products, but this feels amazing. Don't have a strong chemical smell in anything, so I'm excited about this. Okay, that was that. Now the next item, let's see, it's the Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. So this retails for $42. Okay, so this formula, it nourishes and primes the skin. It helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. Oh, it's pink, pretty. Oh wow, it feels amazing. Oh, and it smells good. I will most definitely be using this as well. Like, you seriously get some awesome products in here. Okay, so the next item is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. And this retails for $23. Let's open it. Oh, look at the bottle. As y'all can see, I love bright colors. It's my nails. So this is a bright pink bottle. Nice looking brush on there. Y'all see that? These are these type of brushes, like, seem like it grabs every single lash. So let's see. So this is a vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. So this lasts up to 16 hours. So the next item is the Ace Beauty. Yay, I got some Ace Beauty shadows. So this is the Glimmer Shadow Duo. So you get 2 of them. And it's $25. So this retails for $25. So you get 2 of these. And what colors are they? This is Cotton Candy. And this is Ice Latte. Let's swatch them. Of course, you know I gotta swatch them. Okay, so it twists open. So this is Cotton Candy. Oh, and it feels so soft. Let's see if it smells like cotton candy. No. Cotton candy. Beautiful. Beautiful color. Definitely gonna use this. This kind of looks like one of my blush in one of my palettes. Okay, so this is Ice Latte. Ice Latte. Oh, beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. Awesome. I'm excited to try these. Yes. Okay, so last but not least is the Laurant. And that's the lip liner. So what color is this? Laurant lip liner. This is Chic, I think. Yeah, Chic. I don't know if it'll zoom into that. Chic. Okay, I'm gonna open it and swatch it. Beautiful color. Kind of matches one of my liquid lipsticks I wear, so that's pretty. And then I also go really good with the gloss. Okay, y'all, so these are all the products that I received in my Boxycharm, all full-size items. And like I said, for only $21 a month. You cannot beat that, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I was gonna wait to try on the products, but I cannot wait, so of course I gotta do a try on video. Gives your skin a nice glow. Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I really want to see how this one does on my skin tone. milled powder, which is a plus. Oh wow. So yeah, I can say it's translucent. The Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo. First I'm using Ice Latte. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I don't know how it applies with the brush, but I can try the other color with the brush. Okay, so the next color I'm using is Cotton Candy. Wow, this is stunning. These colors are stunning. Wow. So it applies pretty good with the brush and with your finger. So either way you want to do that. Wow, look at that. Beautiful shadows. Mascara, the Tarte Big Ego Mascara in black. This is a nice mascara. It's kind of hard for me to put on mascara after I take off strip lashes, but this is doing really good. Nice. Time for lips. So the lip liner is the Laurant in Chic. This is a nice lip liner. I love the color. One thing though, if you have dry lips, it will not glide on smooth. So, but it's still good and it still glides on. But just remember, you have dry lips, it will not glide on smooth. Okay, so that's the end of my try on video. I just had to try on the products. I was so anxious, but I really like the powder. I was scared. I really love the Becca powder. I was scared of the color. I didn't think it was translucent, but it is a translucent powder. So that is a win for me. And it's really finely milled, and I love that about it. As you can see, it just melts on in the skin. I'm loving it. And the mascara, I love the mascara. I love the brush on it. And those eyeshadows by Ace Beauty, these shadows are beautiful. Like, beautiful, beautiful shadows. I love them. And it goes on like, goes on really well with your finger or with the brush, and they're like so smooth and buttery feeling. And this Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil by Wonder Beauty, this is amazing. It looks great under makeup. It feels good on skin. I love it. And yeah, and the lip liner, like I added in the video, it's a beautiful lip liner. But if you have dry lips, yeah, you're gonna struggle a little to get it on. It's a really good lip liner. I really like it. All the products, amazing, amazing, amazing. Boxycharm, I love it. So thank you guys for staying tuned and watch me try on these products. I'm very impressed with all the products. So stay tuned to the next video. Be blessed, guys. Bye.